The sessions that we run with women on boards is equipping women who are either currently sitting on boards or looking to sitting on boards, or indeed looking to expand their career, with a toolkit. It really does deliver them the information that they can use to ask questions about the financial data that they're being presented with. Are they able to align that information with the operational information that they also will receive as part of their membership of that board? You bring that information together and you have a good toolkit with which to question. Not everybody on a board is an accountant or indeed has a background in finance, and nor they should be. Everybody brings something to the table that is unique to them. What our sessions with women on boards will deliver is the ability for you as a member of that board to recognise the questions that you need to be asking, to recognise what you don't know, and to ask an appropriate question, whether that be of somebody else on the board, whether that be somebody within management, whether it be a referral to a committee. McGrath-Nicol really enjoys partnering with women on boards. As a firm, McGrath-Nicol embraces diversity, and we recognise the importance of women and diverse thought within an organisation. And we see this opportunity as a perfect opportunity whereby we can share our financial knowledge, our financial acumen, and engage in the opportunity to network with women who are aspiring to be on boards, currently sit on boards, or in fact are just looking to enhance their career.